Summer Seeds, welcome back to Irene the Cocoa Queen. So today we're going to be making 4 different kinds of summer snack recipes. Now these are all vegan, super easy to make, and especially amazing for children and adults, but for children too. Okay, so we're going to be making stuffed dates with almond butter and coconut butter. We're also going to be making watermelon pizza with all kinds of different toppings, an amazing maracuya yogurt that you guys are going to love. We're going to be making stuffed avocados, super easy recipe that you guys are going to find very filling and very delicious. And also, last but not least, we are going to be making caramel, nature's caramel of course, sugar-free, and sliced apples. Who doesn't like caramel? I don't know anyone who doesn't like caramel. Healthy caramel. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because you know that I am here every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays giving you amazing plant-based recipes, and we are freeing all beings one recipe at a time together. So we are going to begin with the stuffed dates. Now, dates are the fruit of the date palm tree, and guys, don't be afraid of this little jewel just because it's high in sugar, because these little jewels are packed with nutrients and fiber, making them a superfood. So these little jewels are also high in polyphenols, which is an antioxidant compound that helps you protect yourself from cancer and also from aging, okay? So let's get into the recipe and let me show you guys how to make this. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your medjool dates. Now make sure these are dried medjool dates, and you're going to just cut them down the center, not all the way, but just what you're gonna do is open up the date and remove the pit from inside. And then you're going to just fill it with your choice of nut butter. So today I'm going to be using 2 kinds, almond butter and coconut butter. Both are amazingly delicious, especially when you combine it with the dates. So all you're going to do is just fill or spoon in your choice of nut butter and then close it up. And that's it. You have a very nutrient-dense snack that is just at your fingertips. You can take this with you on the go anywhere, and this is also perfect for children. Honestly, this is like an explosion in your mouth. It's very, very delicious. So the next snack that we're going to be preparing is going to be a natural salted caramel with some sliced apples and cinnamon. Okay, so the great thing about this caramel is that it's all natural and it's refined sugar-free. All of the sugar in the caramel actually comes from the dates, so it's amazingly healthy and packed with nutrients. So let me show you guys how to make this. So to your blender, you're going to be adding in 2 cups of pitted medjool dates, 1 cup of plant milk of your choice. Today I'm going to be using almond milk, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and a good helping of salt, because we're creating a salted caramel. So all you have to do is whiz that up in your blender. And okay, for those of you who don't have a Vitamix such as myself, it does take a few minutes to actually blend everything together. You might have to use a spoon to kind of like push it around and then blend again and then use the spoon again. But you'll get there. It'll take about 6 or 7 minutes until smooth and creamy. So then you're just going to place that into a little bowl and slice up your apples, top it with some cinnamon, top it with some nuts if you like, and then boom, you have a very nutrient-dense, delicious snack. So the third snack is going to be stuffed avocados. Okay, everybody is completely obsessed with avocados, and rightfully so. Okay, they're packed with nutrients and they're so creamy and delicious, and they go with everything. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to process some chickpeas and make a nice simple hummus to stuff our avocados with. Okay, so get out your food processor, and to your food processor you're going to add 1 cup of canned chickpeas. You can cook them if you like, but I just had some canned ones on hand. And to that, you're going to add in a ½ cup of vegan mayonnaise. So you're going to add in the juice of 1 lemon, and then you're going to add in the spices of your choice. So today I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of salt, a ½ teaspoon of paprika, and a ¼ teaspoon of pepper. So all you have to do is just process all of that up just for like 7 or 8 seconds. It's not going to take long at all. And then you have your avocado filling. So you're just going to cut your avocado in half, make sure that it's ripe, open it up, remove the stone from inside, and then you're going to just fill each hole with the hummus. And then you can spice it up. You can put some salt and pepper and paprika on top and add a little bit of chickpeas, and then you just need a spoon and you just need to dig in. So the last vegan summer snack that we're going to be preparing today is going to be a watermelon pizza. I love this recipe, guys. It's super easy to make. Your children are going to love it. And I love this. It's so delicious, filled with all kinds of berries and colorful toppings, and also this amazing Harvest Moon mango and maracuya yogurt, okay? It's mango and passion fruit. If you guys can find that and put it on top of your watermelon, mwah, it's gonna be delicious. But you can also use any kind of yogurt that you like. So let's get our watermelon and let's slice it open. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your watermelon and you're gonna cut it into a ring. It can be as thick or as thin as you like. But after you've cut your watermelon, you're going to slice it into little pieces, okay? So like so, I'm just cutting it into a cross. And then what we're gonna do is we're just going to place the yogurt on top. So like I said, I'm gonna be using this amazing yogurt. You can use any kind of yogurt you want. Mine happens to be yellow because it's mango and it makes it that much more fun. So after you've placed your yogurt on top of the watermelon, you can use any kind of toppings you like, any kind of fruits that you like. Today I'm going to be using blueberries, pink pitaya, blackberries, and some kiwi. So you can just arrange them any way you like. And then this is going to be so delicious. It's just ready in a couple minutes, guys. So you have a delicious snack on hand. So there you have it, friends. 4 really delicious summer vegan snacks for you and your family. So what I love about these recipes is that they're super healthy and incredibly easy to make and pack. Also, they're really hydrating because, you know, these days we're eating a lot of dehydrated foods, a lot of cooked foods, and these snacks really will wake you up and hydrate you. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed these 4 really easy and delicious summer snacks. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I am giving you amazing plant-based recipes every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So I'll see you guys on Friday for the next plant-based recipe.